Hey guys, welcome to the Cricket Panda IPL previews. Next match is gonna be Chennai Super Kings versus the Rajasthan Royals. CSK will look to ease into the top 2 spot while Rajasthan will be playing with the little chances they are left with. Head to head, CSK have been fairly dominant with a great batting average, but both teams have won 3 each in the last 6 games. Playing 11 of both teams should be unchanged except for an out-of-form Morris who can be replaced by Shamsi. Abu Dhabi has been relatively easier to score runs in the second leg compared to the other two venues. Royals have won 67% of their games here, while CSK have a win percentage of 57. Phase-wise, RR boasts a run rate of 8.7 while batting in the middle overs, but is substantially behind on other phases in batting and bowling both. At death, CSK scores 12.3 runs per over while RR concedes at 10.9. Let's dive into the matchups. MS Dhoni will be risky in the Fantasy 11 even though he has a good record against the Royals. His record against express pacers and leg break has been disappointing and he doesn't enjoy batting at Abu Dhabi. Sanju Samson is having the season of his life and we have him as captain today. Even though his average against CSK is far from par, his renewed form should get him runs. Gaikwad can also be considered for captain as his numbers, especially in Abu Dhabi, are incredible. Jadeja has a great record at death and against express pacers, but apparently he has struggled against Morris and Rahman. Furthermore, strike rate of 100 in middle overs and against leg spin raises enough doubt to eliminate him from the fantasy squad. Raidu has been striking really well in his short stints and can produce a big score anytime now. Rana has been a worry in this season and against express pace. Morris has dismissed him thrice for 25 runs. Where Evan Lewis has been a source of destruction in the power plays this season, Morris can trouble Faf up front. If we look at the contrast in batting averages, it is safe to keep Dhoni in the squad if Rajasthan Royals bat first, and Jadeja Samson in the squad if Rajasthan bats second. Form-wise, Samson and Gaikwad have been a sensation while Dhoni and Raina have struggled big time. Duplessis also has been freakishly consistent. Shane Watson is the all-time run scorer in head-to-heads while Bravo has made a great impact with the bat. Mike Hussey has the greatest contribution to team runs while Jadeja has most wickets. For your Fantasy 11, you can build your core with Samson, Gaikwad, Faf, Raidu, Jaiswal, Rahman and Tyagi. For big pools, you can go with Chahar and Livingstone in the mix. Don't forget to consider the pattern segment after the toss. That's all from us today. Thank you for joining us in the preview. Please like and subscribe if you found it informative. You can also follow us on our other social media platforms, including our website where you can dig extensive stats on IPL. See you in the next game.